Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by enabling installation from unknown sources because the manager needs permission to install modified apps. Once done, back up your YouTube data or sign into the account you want to keep so you don't lose playlists. Then, install the Revanced Manager APK and the correct Micro G APK. Make sure versions match. You'll know why. Micro G provides account sign-in support. The manager will patch YouTube. Follow on-screen prompts to allow storage and overlay permissions before continuing. You now open Revanced Manager and grant required storage and accessibility permissions. This is necessary so the app can modify APKs and apply behavioral patches. Next, choose the correct target YouTube APK. Stock, Vanced compatible, or split APKs. Make sure it's the version you backed up. Select patches such as ad blocking and background play, then review the final patch list carefully. Once you press patch, monitor the progress logs and note any failed modules. Because you may need to toggle a specific patch off, you finish by installing the patched APK. If sign-in is required, use Micro G to authenticate. After installation, test critical functions. Playback, background audio, casting, and account sync. Make sure everything behaves as expected. If something fails, immediately check the manager logs to identify which patch or module caused the issue, because that tells you whether to retry with a different target APK or disable a specific patch. As a key troubleshooting tip, reinstalling the matching Micro G version often resolves sign-in and playback oddities.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.